Black smoke rises up from the skyline of the Ukrainian capital. Earlier tonight, 2 Russian missiles slammed into a weapons manufacturing plant. While Russia continues to target cities across Ukraine, the United States is stepping in to provide even more military support to the Eastern European country. If approved, President Biden's $33 billion aid request to Congress will give the Ukrainians $20 billion for things like drones, artillery, and other heavy systems.
Every day the Ukrainians pay for the price, and the price they pay is with their lives for this fight. So we need to contribute arms, funding, ammunition, and the economic support to make their courage and sacrifice have purpose so they can continue this fight.
Officials in Moscow continue to blame Kyiv for ongoing escalation, despite clear signs that Russia is pushing forward with an offensive.
The continued provocation of Ukraine to carry out strikes against Russian objects will invariably lead to a harsh response from Russia.
Those accusations come as UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres visits Kyiv. He met today with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky to discuss a variety of topics, including a proposal to evacuate an estimated 2,000 Ukrainian soldiers and 1,000 civilians from a steel plant in the besieged city of Mariupol.
Ukraine is ready for immediate negotiations on the evacuation of people from Azovstal, as well as to ensure the implementation of any agreements reached.
The Ukrainian leader has seen firsthand what Russian forces can do to the civilian population. Innocent people like Vitaly, a blind Ukrainian man we met in March, losing everything. His home reduced to rubble after being hit by a Russian shell. Miraculously, Vitaly survived and had a simple but powerful plea. Sir, please help me. Ukraine's prosecutor general is investigating the treatment of civilians by Russian forces. She announced today that 10 Russian soldiers have been identified and accused of torture in a village next to Vitaly's. In Kyiv, Trey Yingst, Fox News.